Hello, all. Hope you all doing good. This is Mani, and this is my brand new YouTube channel. I'm a data engineer, cloud enthusiast slash practitioner, and a person who loves tech. This will be a space where I would document my knowledge on data engineering, cloud, mostly on the AWS part, and Azure in the coming months. Later on, I would also love to explore the technologies that I am willing or liking to learn, where there is a lot of demand in data engineering space, and I would love to share all the knowledge with you as well as build some cool projects. So let's get started. I started off as a test engineer in the IT industry fresh out of college. After that, I transitioned myself into an automation test engineering role, which means building a test automation framework with Java, Selenium, and I used Python a little bit for data validation. So this was my first journey into programming while being in a job. So I learned quite a bit over there. After that, I got a chance to work as a Python dev. So this was a really good project. This Python dev role also included data engineering tools like Spark, and it also came with AWS as a cloud service provider. So after that, I started to learn both data engineering as well as AWS part of the things. Very much into data engineering, little bit onto AWS side, so that I would have good working knowledge on the tools that are important for my job in the data engineering side. And for AWS side, I just have to know to an extent that I would not struggle with anything that is being used in the project. So this was the learning process for me at that time. But now, since the cloud is taking a lot of traction, and everything, every workload that we run is almost on the cloud, especially with the data engineering workload. So yeah, I would love to explore all of these technologies once again, in the form of video, for the enthusiasts and whoever wants to go through the content. Yeah, currently I work as a data engineer, and the data stack is on Cloudera Hadoop distribution. So everything we do, like writing SQL scripts to transform the data, and then dump the data into our HDFS locations. So we do it on the Cloudera provided tools like Uzi to schedule the jobs, Impala to run the scripts, and then we have HDFS out of the box, again provided by the Cloudera VM. So this is my current experience on the data engineering side. Why this channel? you know um, I have to explain the purpose to myself as well as the viewer who is watching this particular channel for the content, right? So why this channel? Primarily, I want to share my knowledge that I have gained over the years in data engineering space, to all the to community at large with high quality videos, so that if any enthusiast or a practitioner who is already in the field, or trying to get into the field, finds these videos helpful, then I would be the happiest person. So it's a win-win, right? So yeah, that is the primary reason. Second reason is I want to improve my learning process, right? So to close the gaps in my thinking. So whenever I explain anything to anyone, so we both are learning at the same time. So that helps me to grasp the concept better, close the gaps in my understanding, as well as if I document in the form of a video, it would be serving the community at large, as I've told earlier. So yeah, this is one of the main reason that I would want to build this channel, in the data engineering space. Also, I would love to share the details on the journey that I had from starting as a test engineering, automation test engineering, with a role with data engineering responsibilities, as well as being a data engineer. So how did this whole journey happen? So if that again benefits with uh, anyone who is looking for this kind of details or a journey to familiarize with their journey, then yeah, it would be awesome. This channel, as I've told earlier, primarily focuses on the beginner level data engineering content to start with. After that, I would be exploring the tech that is both in demand as well as the one that I would love to explore, build some things on. Maybe a mini project or a mega project, combining all the tech that we are discussing over the time. So that is the plan as of now. Once I improve the delivery of the content as well as the frequency of the uploads to this channel, then I would like to explore the content that requires good amount of time to put on efforts in terms of preparation as well as post making the videos itself. So I would love to put my energy into those kind of projects later on. Currently I'm working on a video on data engineering roadmap 2021 for beginners. So this would be a fun one where we will sort of get the idea from the exhaustive guide that is mentioned in this particular roadmap. So we will carve out the technologies that are really essential for a beginner to start the journey with, like skills like SQL, bash scripting or Linux, the cloud route, and the knowledge on big data tools like Hadoop ecosystem, Spark. I would love to explore in the eyes of the a beginner, so or an enthusiast who want to get into the field or who are in this field and who want to get a solid foundation in this particular journey. So I am working on that video. Once that is done, I'll upload it, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye for now. Bye bye, take care, have a great day. One last thing, if you want to follow me on any socials like Twitter, LinkedIn, or email list on my blog, I'll put all the links in the below description so you can check it out. Thank you very much.